So good morning, chemistry second year, English medium, unit is organic compounds containing carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. The topic is carbonyl compounds, introduction. So what is meant by carbonyl compounds? Here is carbonyl compounds which are having the carbonyl functional group, that is C double bond O linkage. Okay, yes, so what are the compounds having the C double bond O carbonyl functional group is, here is aldehydes and ketones. Okay, aldehydes and ketones are collectively called carbonyl compounds which are having carbonyl functional group. Then aldehydes and ketones, general molecular formula is CnH2nO. Okay, then yes, in aldehydes carbonyl group C double bond O is linked to one alkyl or aryl group and one is hydrogen atom. Okay, then there is a carbonyl functional group in aldehydes. Here is one is alkyl or aryl group, another one must be, here is a hydrogen. Another one must be hydrogen. Okay, in ketones the carbonyl functional group is joined to two alkyl groups or two aryl groups, one alkyl and one aryl group. Okay, in ketones carbonyl functional group is joined with two alkyl groups or two aryl groups, one alkyl or and one aryl group. Okay, so this is very common in ketones. Then next one, if the two groups attached to carbonyl group are same, then they are called simple ketones. Okay, so carbonyl functional group in ketones is connected with two alkyl groups. These two alkyl groups are same, then that is called as, here is a simple ketone. That can be represented as R bond CO bond R. These two alkyl groups are same, that's why this ketone is called as simple ketone. Then suppose if the two groups attached to carbonyl group are different, then they are called mixed ketones. Okay, yes, here is this is the general formula for mixed ketones. These two alkyl groups are different, R, CO, R dash. These two alkyl groups are different, that's why this ketone is considered as, here is a mixed ketone. Okay, here is this is the general formula of aldehyde, R bond CHO. R bond CHO, then simple ketone RCO, R. So mixed ketone is RCO, R dash. Okay, yes, in aldehydes and ketones carbonyl functional group is very common, that's why they can be treated as carbonyl compounds. Then so let's see the structure of a carbonyl group. Yes, so carbon involved in sp2 hybridization. Carbon involved in sp2 hybridization while formation of carbonyl group. Then yes, here is so because of the sp2 hybridization, then the three sp2 hybrid orbitals are, three sp2 hybrid orbitals are available in carbon. One p orbital is unhybridized. Okay, sp2 is one s orbital and two p orbitals involved in hybridization. As a result, three sp2 hybrid orbitals are formed. Then one p orbital is unhybridized. One p orbital is unhybridized in carbon. Okay, then these three sp2 hybrid orbitals can form the sigma bonds. Okay, then next one, yes, is a carbon is having one unhybridized p orbital. This unhybridized p orbital overlaps with the p orbital of here is a oxygen, partial overlapping or sidewise overlapping, then that causes, there is a formation of a pi bond. Okay, so this is the pi bond. So this pi bond is formed by means of partial overlapping or lateral overlapping of unhybridized p orbital of carbon with the p orbital of oxygen, that causes, here is a formation of a pi bond. Okay, so this is the structure of a carbonyl group. In carbonyl group, three are sigma bonds, one is pi bond. Then next one here is, so because of the structure, yes, here is a carbonyl functional group. In general, here is the bond angles are approximately here is a 120 degrees. Then the shape of the is a carbonyl functional group is here is a trigonal planar. Trigonal planar. Then yes, when you observe the structure of a carbonyl functional group, then this is the polar bond. Polar bond, because there is a this in carbonyl functional group, carbon is connected with oxygen with a double bond. Okay, then so this is the sp2 hybridized carbon. Then next one, this is the oxygen, is a more electronegative. That's why the pi electron cloud is polarized towards oxygen. As a result of that, is a carbon getting partial positive charge, then oxygen getting partial negative charge. So due to this reason, in carbonyl compounds, at the carbonyl carbon, electron scarcity, electron deficiency is created. So due to this reason, carbonyl compounds in general, they are eager to involve in the is a nucleophilic addition reactions. Okay, so nucleophilic addition reactions, because of the yes, at the carbonyl carbon there is a partial positive charge is generated, because it is connected with more electronegative oxygen. That's why the pi electron cloud is polarized towards oxygen. As a result of that, carbon is getting partial positive, oxygen is getting partial negative charge. Nomenclature. So names of aldehydes are derived from corresponding carboxylic acids to which they are oxidized. The suffix ic acid is replaced by aldehyde. In IUPAC system, aldehydes are named as alkanols. Okay, yes, carbonyl compounds also having, here is a common naming system and IUPAC system. Okay, in common naming system, there is a in general, here is a aldehydes. Are generally they can be name is derived from the corresponding carboxylic acid to which they oxidized. The suffix ic acid is replaced by aldehyde. Suppose acetic acid, CH3COOH, acetic acid, that is a carboxylic acid. Ic acid is replaced by CH3COOH. This is a acetic acid. Then ic acid is replaced by aldehyde. Acetic acid, ic acid is replaced by aldehyde. Acetaldehyde. Okay, acetaldehyde. It's a CH3CHO. Okay, CH3CHO name is derived from the acetic acid name. Okay, ic acid is replaced by aldehyde, acetaldehyde. Okay, then next one, in IUPAC system, aldehydes are named as alkanols. ALS, alkanols. Alkanols are alcohols. Alkanols are alcohols, alkanols are aldehydes. Okay, then suppose if you take the, there is a CH3CHO, common name is what, acetaldehyde. Then next one, according to IUPAC system, it is having 2 carbon atoms. Then it's a carbonyl functional group is a aldehyde. That's why there is a ethanol, 2 carbons, eth. Then there is a aldehyde functional group, al, ethanol. Okay, then next one, the position of the substituents on the parent chain is indicated by Greek letters alpha, beta, gamma, delta. Okay, then if the carbonyl is a compound, if the carbonyl compound is having longest chain, then next one is a alphabetical, especially is a Greek letters alpha, beta, gamma, delta are used to indicate the position of substituents on the parent chain. Yes, that can be seen in the names of various aldehydes and ketones. Then next here is a ketones. So ketones in general is a common name is what, there is a dialkyl ketones. R bond, CO bond R. Okay, yes, here is a dialkyl ketones. It is the simple ketones. If the is a R bond, CO bond R, this is the simple ketone. Yes, it can be named as a dialkyl ketone. Suppose if the ketone is a mixed ketone, then these alkyl groups can be named based on alphabetical order. That can be seen in the nomenclature of carbonyl compounds. Then next one is alkyl groups are alphabetical order in mixed ketones. Okay, so this is in common naming system. Then in IUPAC system, the ketones are named as alkanones. Okay, ketones are named as alkanones. Suppose if the is a CH3CO CH3, then yes, its common name is a dimethyl ketone. Then IUPAC name is here is a propanone. Why do we call propanone? Here is a alkanone. Here is a 1, 2, 3. The 3 carbon atoms are present in this molecule. Then here is a prop. Then next one is a carbonyl functional group is a ketone. That's why here is a propanone. Okay, so this is about is a common names and IUPAC names of carbonyl compounds. Let's discuss some examples for aldehydes and ketones. Okay, then yes, here is a, let's see the is a HCHO. So this is called as a formaldehyde, very common name, is a common name formaldehyde. Then its IUPAC name is a alkanal. Is a alkanal is what it is having just only one carbon atom. That's why here is a methanol. Okay, methanol. Then CH3CHO, the common name is acetaldehyde. Okay, so these common names are derived from the corresponding carboxylic acids. Ic acid is replaced by aldehyde. Suppose if it is formic acid, it's a corresponding carboxylic acid is a formic acid. Ic acid is replaced by aldehyde, formaldehyde. Formic acid, formaldehyde. Then here is a acetic acid. Its corresponding carboxylic acid is acetic acid. Then yes, acetic acid. Here is a ic acid is replaced by acetaldehyde. Ic acid is replaced by aldehyde, acetaldehyde. Okay, then its IUPAC name is what based on the carbon atoms. Here is a 2 carbon atoms. Then it's a functional group is here is a aldehyde. Here is a Al suffix is added. Then here is a ethanol. Okay, 2 carbon atoms can be connected with a single bonds. Then next one is a aldehyde functional group is there. That's why here is a ethanol. Al suffix is added. Then next one is a propionaldehyde. CH3CH2CHO, propionaldehyde. Why is a propionaldehyde? Then here is a propionic acid. Okay, then its corresponding acid is a propionic acid. Then here is a ic acid is replaced by aldehyde. That's why here is a propionaldehyde. Okay, then here is a common name is a propionaldehyde. IUPAC name is propanol. Why? It is having 3 carbon atoms and having aldehyde functional group. Then next one is acrolein. CH2 double bond CH-CHO. Acrolein is a common name. Then next one is IUPAC name is a prop. Then next one is at second carbon is from this. There is a numbering is the first priority is given to the functional group. This is there is a aldehyde functional group and enol. Okay, double bond en. Yes, first priority is given to the aldehyde. That's why here is a 1, 2. Yes, after second carbon here is a double bond is there. That's why here is a overall 3 carbon atoms prop. Then is a 2 enol. Prop 2 enol. Then next one is a para-nitrobenzaldehyde. Para-nitrobenzaldehyde is a common name. IUPAC name is what? Is a CHO group and a nitro group. This is considered as a functional group. This is considered as substituent. Okay, is a 4-nitrobenzene carbaldehyde. 4-nitrobenzene carbaldehyde. So this is the IUPAC name, but it is most popular in common name para-nitrobenzaldehyde. Then next one is, let's see the examples for ketones. Yes, here is a CH3CO CH3. Yes, a common name is a dimethyl ketone. Why? Yes, when it is the simple ketone. Yes, while giving the names for simple ketones, it's a dialkyl ketone. Common names. It's a dimethyl ketone. Okay. Then next one, IUPAC, alkanones. Okay, IUPAC names for ketones is alkanones. That's why this compound is having 3 carbon atoms, propanone. Then next one, so here is it is mixed ketone. CH3 is CO, CH2, CH3. One end is methyl group, another end is connected with the ethyl group. This is the mixed ketone. That's why while giving the names for mixed ketones, then alkyl groups can be taken as alphabetical order. Here is ethyl is first followed by methyl. That's why it is ethyl methyl ketone. Then next one, IUPAC name is what? Then it is having how many carbons? 4 carbon atoms. Then next one is a bute. Then where the keto functional group is there, then this end, here is a 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, at the second carbon, here is a keto group is there, butane 2-one. Okay, butane 2-one. Then yes, this is the another ketone, which is having the substituents. Yes, so this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. So with respect to carbonyl functional group, this is the alpha carbon. Then next carbon is considered as here is a alpha dash. Okay, so this is a functional group. So one end is having the carbon, here is another ending is also having carbon. So this is the alpha carbon. Yes, next second carbon is called as here is a alpha dash. Okay, another end carbon is called as alpha dash. Then so this alpha carbon is having a chlorine as substituents. That's why these can be written 2 times, alpha comma alpha. Then so this is called as alpha dash. Okay, alpha comma alpha dash is a trichloro. Then so this is a ethyl, this is a ethyl, diethyl ketone. So this is the common name. Next one is IUPAC name. Yes, again here is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At second carbon 2 chloro groups are there. At fourth carbon 1 chloro group is there. Okay, overall 2, 4 trichloro pentane is a 3-one. At third carbon keto group is there, pentane. Overall carbon atoms are 5, then pentane 3-one. So this is about nomenclature of carbonyl compounds.